Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ross, northeastern Pike, southwestern Hocking until 12:30 a.m. At 11:55 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Lynn, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour. The severe thunderstorm will affect mainly rural areas of northeastern Pike, southeastern Ross, and southwestern Hocking counties, including Richmond-Dale, Londonderry, and South Bloomingville. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. Tornadoes can develop suddenly in these conditions. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now for the